Hello friends, let us look at the features of the new Godrej Edge Pro 190 liters refrigerator. So it is a 5-star rated refrigerator for the year 2019, and the energy saving sticker uh, claims that it consumes about 120 units per year. So this rating, this 5-star rating is for the year 2019, and it's a 190 liter fridge. The exact model is Apro 205 TDI 5.2 for the year 2019. Okay, now let's look at the physical overview. So I particularly love this floral design of this fridge. It's very simple and neat, and at the top there is option for child lock. This is how the key looks. I usually paste it on the side of fridge. I have never used its key. Okay, and coming to the handle, uh, it is smooth at the top. The handle is pretty long. It is a bit sharp in the edges. And coming to the bottom, there is a space for utility. You can store potato and any other stuff that doesn't require refrigeration. And this fridge also comes with adjustable footrest, which can be adjusted with a thread, so that even if the space is not the surface is not leveled, it can still make the fridge to stand in a very still position. All right, and coming to the back side of the fridge has got exposed unit. The compressor is exposed from the back side. Okay, now coming inside. So there is one egg tray provided along with the fridge, which can hold eight eggs. Which can hold 8 eggs, and I don't think you can place another tray over here. There is no sufficient space, and there is also similar utility space here. And this is a fixed one; we cannot move it. Similarly, as you can see that there are it can accommodate a complete bottle. So we can place 2 more bottles here and 1 more bottle here. It can accommodate a slightly bigger and larger bottle. Okay. And so it has also got space for placing lemon, chilies, and curry leaves. And okay, this is removable. It can be removed and it can be replaced. And coming to the console, it has got a single adjustable switch with the defrost button on the center. And I personally believe that defrost is not required for this model, because it has been almost more than 15 days it has been running continuously, and still I don't find any ice deposits inside the freezer. And it does comes with a dozen of ice cube holder. Okay, it can hold up to a dozen of ice cubes. It is not, they provide only one set of it. And this is the switch for controlling the light. And there is the detail sticker, model sticker, and this is a place for storing dairy products. It is made of fiber plastic. Okay, so there is a space. There is a the water will be drained out directly through that outlet, and it will reach the compressor directly. And these storage plates, these are made of toughened glasses. You can see it is made of toughened glass and can hold up to 120 kilogram each and every glass. And there is only two configurations available on the site, so either you can use it in this model or you can remove any one, and you can make it as a you can make larger space. You will get larger utility space, storage space, sorry. And coming to the vegetables tray, the lid is also made of toughened glass, and it has got this open close feature which allows the cool air to go inside. And utility space is ready enough to hold vegetables for 1 week. So I have few. That's it. So this is the complete overview of Godrej H Pro 5-star 190 liters fridge. That's the model. I bought this one from Reliance Digital. I got a good deal for this particular product, and it comes with an inverter compressor, and there is also a 10-year warranty period. And Godrej claims that it can be operated without a stabilizer, so it can support voltage from 140 to 260 volt. But I personally don't recommend using fridge without a stabilizer. So I have bought a V-Guard stabilizer separately, which I have not connected yet. Alright, so hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.